Hi guys, so today we're going to be going over how to find the reciprocal trig ratios. And for the first three, we have a word that we can use to help remember the trig ratios. And it stands for, so the word is SOHCAHTOA, and it stands for sine, opposite over hypotenuse, cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, and the tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. And for the next three, we do not have a word that will make it easier for us to memorize it. Therefore, we will just have to memorize the trig ratios as they are. So first off, we're going to start off by finding the sine of this triangle right here, which is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the opposite of this angle right here, right, this is going to be our reference point. So the opposite is 4 over the hypotenuse, 5. So that's going to, so our sine is 4 over 5. Next, we will find the cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent length is 3 over the hypotenuse, 5. Next, we are going to be finding the tangent, and the tangent is the opposite over adjacent. So the opposite is 4 and the adjacent is 3. Next, we have the cosecant. The cosecant is the hypotenuse over the opposite, which is 5 over 4, which is also the reciprocal trig function of sine. Next, we will find the secant, which is the reciprocal trig function of cosine. The secant is hypotenuse over adjacent, which in this case would be 5 over 3. Lastly, we have the cotangent, which is the reciprocal trig ratio of the tangent. And the cotangent is adjacent over opposite, which in this case would be 3 over 4. And that will be it for finding reciprocal trig ratios. Thank you and have a good day.